Hey guys, today I'm excited to try out a very new product by Laticrete. It sounds amazing and we're going to put it to the test. Laticrete's MultMax 1. It's a pre-mix adhesive. It's not just like mastic though. It has the strength of MultMax, which is a very superior thin set. I heard it really hangs tile up on the walls really well, and even for floor tile it won't sink down or sag. So we're going to put it to the test today and try it out on this wall. We're using this kind of irregular tile right here, and so I love to use mortar that will hang and not sag, because when you're setting a regular tile, if you use regular mortar, you're going to use tons of these. It's going to take forever. If I use a mortar that doesn't sag, it'll just make the job so much easier. So we're going to try this out. MultMax 1 by Laticrete. They sent this to me to try it out, and I'm excited to see how it could hold up and work. It comes with this activator pack, which if you are using this product over Hydroban or any non-porous surface, you want to mix this with water in a spray bottle, and then you spray over your trowel mortar and then stick your tile up on there. But we're not using that today because we're setting over a mud floated surface. But check this out. This is the MultMax 1, and it is already pre-mixed, ready to go. No mixing required, none of that. I think the huge perk of using pre-mixed products is, first, it saves a lot of time. I prefer using pre-mixed grout now 100%. For two reasons. One, you don't have to mix it, and two, the color consistency is unmatchable. It's really great. You don't have to worry about shading issues, so that's a huge perk for grout. For a thin set mortar, something like this, the benefit of not having to mix it, you don't have no dust in the house, you don't have to worry about breathing dust when you're mixing it. But the biggest perk, I think, about having pre-mixed products is that you have zero waste, absolutely no waste at all, because it's already in the bucket, and at the end of the day, you just put this little film cover back on the bucket, and you can use it tomorrow. I think after you open this, they say it lasts for a couple months. I can't remember how many, but you can check to find out. So it's really good, and if you're doing tile every day, you're just gonna use it up, but you have zero waste. No more throwing thin set away at the end of the day that you didn't use, you couldn't finish. Whatever you couldn't use, guess what? You get to put the cover back on and use it the next day. So that is a huge perk that I think about the first of its kind. This is the very first pre-made, high quality, high bond strength mortar. I'm gonna put it to the test, use it on the shower wall, and then we'll see what we think about it at the end of the day. So let's give it a run. Just took off the lid, and it seems very nice and creamy. All right, so we got our burn coat in. Probably looser than I would make it, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna hang. Very trowelable, nice and smooth, you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and back butter these. So here we go, first tile here. Let's see how it hangs. Pretty good. In this situation, I wanted to start with a full chevron pattern at the very top of the ceiling, and with the MultMax 1 I'm able to do that. It's holding superbly well, which is impressive because this is the mortar is very creamy. It's not very thick. Usually I got to make it a little thicker to get it to hold that well. It's holding really well, so now I'm going to go ahead and just fill this wall in. Hey guys, so a side note of what I noticed about the MultMax 1 is I set this section of the wall with a MultMax 1, and I wanted to save the leftover to use it on a different project, so I set this part of the wall with a different regular cement based thin set that hangs as well. So I use it here, but what I noticed is we're working here in San Diego, it's the high 80s, it's a little bit humid, and the cement-based thin set, I was struggling with it because it kept drying on me. I had to, keep stirring it up, and I started making smaller batches because just the heat and the humidity was getting it to dry up really fast. It was getting real stiff on me. It was getting, almost unworkable. So I was really struggling with that. I started making smaller batches, but what I noticed in the same temperatures, the MultMax 1, the premix product, it didn't give me any struggle with the humidity, the temperature. It didn't bother it at all. Never once did the bucket get so stiff that I had to keep remixing it, or even the wall stuff. I have a fan blowing on it and it was holding up still well. So I was really impressed with the bucket life. It lasted really well, even under hotter temperatures. It didn't give me any problems with it skidding over. So I think that's a huge perk with the MultiMax 1, is that it has a very good bucket life and you won't have any problems with, even in higher temperatures, with it skidding over and just having to make smaller batches and whip it up. It stayed very workable, malleable for a long time. So another great perk. All right, so there you have it, guys. MultiMax 1, first time using it. Love the way it worked. I love the consistency about it. It was very creamy, not too thick, not too wet. It was just perfect amount, very trowelable, easy to trowel. Of course, the number one thing I'm impressed with is how much it hangs. I'm doing vertical work. I started at the top, worked my way down. It hangs really well, so that's a huge perk. You don't have to mix any mortar, there's no dust. Look at this, what I got left. This is what I have left. If I was done at the end of the day, what I would do is just cut down this, the sides, just like that. Put the little plastic ring back on top of it, and you have zero waste. Now that is a huge perk. So I love the idea. Laticrete's leading the way. The first one to introduce a very strong mortar that is already pre-mixed. There's been pre-mixed mortar around, I've seen at Home Depot for years, but it's like cheap stuff. I would not use that as a professional. But this is super high quality. What I think would be awesome is if Laticrete would make something like a LHT in a premix, maybe a 253, a thin set in premix. Those are the two that I use for most of my projects. LHT plus, or even something like that. I think would be a huge perk if they made that in a premix, because this is obviously very good for its qualities. It's, if you need something that has superior bond strength, submergible applications, and something that will hang, then this is the way to go. Certain projects, we don't need all those perks of that thin set, so we use like a LHT thin set or a 253 for putting porcelain tile just on the wall with spacers. You don't need it to hang, you're doing flooring. A lot of stuff like that. I love the perk of not having to mix. That's just a new thing I'm getting addicted to. It's kind of making it so convenient, and it reduces dust and, you know, the risk of breathing in stuff you shouldn't be breathing, like silica and all that. So that's a good thing. Hopefully, I'm hoping Laticrete will start making their other mortars in a premix bucket. That would be a huge perk for me. I think I would be very interested in buying those. So there you go, MultiMax 1. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you tried it, let me know what you thought about it. If there's anything you didn't like, to me, I don't really have any cons. There's nothing I didn't like about it. So thanks for watching, and as always, tile on, my friends.